first usage of the 360 camera in VR up on the trails near our house in West Virginia. So we're going to see how well it does. Number one, in the bracket. The family aren't with me. I wasn't feeling very well, and it's only about 60 degrees or so, so I'm all buttoned up with my fleece, so I'm nice and toasty. We wanted to come out and just test the VR for a little bit, see how it does. I do have an extra battery, so if this one starts to run low, not a problem. But anyways, it's got a pretty good hill climb till we get to the top of the stuff. This is a pipeline maintenance road, so for the most part it's in really good shape with some heavy gravel and such. But once you get off of it, that's when it gets pretty muddy and dirty and such. The fun stuff. We'll see how it's been raining off and on all week, so it's probably going to be pretty messy. So we'll see how waterproof that camera is, maybe. So, anyways, hold on, guys. Oh, one thing: if you're watching with a cell phone, it's best to stand up in your living room and or just be in a chair that has wheels, because you can just literally move around whichever way you're facing. It's going to view to sharpen up that view. Whether you have a Android or Apple, click on the three dots on the top of your screen once you start watching one of these videos, and it'll put it up to the highest. You can change your settings to where it'll go to your highest resolution available or possible on your phone. In doing that, I highly suggest you're at least on some kind of Wi-Fi system, because if you're on your regular network, you're going to pause, break up, lock up, and it won't even let you watch it. So, because it pulls a lot of, you got to think, you have 360 degrees of 4K viewing that you're about to see. So it's really, really sharp if you got everything turned up and you got good internet. Anyways, enjoy it. Hold on. Yamaha RMAX4 edition, 1000cc. It is really fun to drive a two-wheel drive. Two-wheel drive, you can just run the piss out of it. The back end gets a little squirrely. It's really, really fun. ridge, you'll see the power line that runs to our left and right. There's a nice steep hill climb. I'll loop back around. We'll be back in this spot here in just a second. Your view isn't always my view of the front. You got to move with me. So going up this hill, I'm not sure how challenging that might be for you. You may have to look up, may have to actually physically look down. I'm not 100% sure, but we've been in two-wheel drive the whole time, so definitely going up this will definitely have to be in four-wheel drive. And it's just a short little hill, maybe 30 feet. And the beautiful thing about the Yamaha RMAX 1000, you have sport mode, trail mode, and crawl mode. Crawl mode gives you a lot more precision when you're crawling up some rough cliff and things of that sort. This has a nice little rock edge at the top, so you got to be careful with it or you'll flip back. Yeah, it's flip on the switch. I can move it when I'm doing everything. I've been doing sport mode the whole time. I'll be on trail mode once I get to the heavy stuff. Here we go. That's in full drive. That's not even in full differential lock that I can use to where I can get where I just pretty much put it in full differential lock, which means all four wheels are pulling. I don't even need it. It climbs anything I want